5 tips to utilize ChatGPT. Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about 5 tips to utilize ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can help you with a variety of tasks, from writing content to generating ideas. But how do you get the most out of it? That's what I'm going to show you today. Tip 1. Be clear and concise in your prompts. When you're giving ChatGPT a prompt, be as clear and concise as possible. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. For example, instead of saying, "Write me a blog post," say something like, "Write me a blog post about the benefits of using ChatGPT." Tip 2. Use keywords. When you're giving ChatGPT a prompt, use keywords that are relevant to the topic. This will help ChatGPT understand what you're looking for and generate more relevant results. For example, if you're writing a blog post about the benefits of using ChatGPT, you might use keywords like ChatGPT, AI content generation, and productivity. Tip 3. Experiment with different prompts. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts to see what works best for you. Sometimes a simple prompt will get the job done, while other times you'll need to be more specific. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you'll get at knowing how to give it the right prompts. Tip 4. Be patient. ChatGPT is still under development, so it's not perfect. Sometimes you'll get results that aren't exactly what you were looking for. That's okay. Just keep experimenting and you'll eventually get the hang of it. Tip 5. Have fun. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's also a lot of fun to use. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what you can create. You might be surprised at what you can come up with. So those are 5 tips to help you utilize ChatGPT. I hope you found them helpful. Thanks for watching.